Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the LaForte multifunction clamp fan. You have a illustration of what this fan is going to look like on this side of the box, and more or less that's all you have, but there's some extra information that the charging time for this particular fan is 2.5 hours, and it can be used 800 times. It can be charged 800 times. That's a great addition. That's a great touch actually. And the battery capacity is 2000 mAh. I'm going to open this box and show you the fan inside. So this is everything that you see inside the box. There is a set of instructions for this particular fan, which you should read at least once. And you also have a micro USB charging cable. I'm going to show this to you. I'm going to operate the fan, so I'm going to show this to you. There you see micro USB charging cable. And this is the fan in question. So this particular fan has 3 levels of swivel. So there is one over here. This is the first level of swivel, and it goes like full 360 degrees somehow. It shouldn't actually. Once you connect it to a charging cable, it will stop doing that because it has to be charged, has to be connected. Then you also have this particular swivel as well. So there's a vertical swivel and a horizontal swivel. Furthermore, there is this clamp over here. This is basically a desk mount clamp. So when you want to clamp it to a desk, this is a great feature. I'm going to try it out once. I'm going to connect this particular USB cable to a laptop and show it to you. I have a laptop over here. So now I'm going to connect this on the back over here. And now, okay, it comes with a lamp as well. So there are 2 buttons over here saying L and F. So when I press on the L first, that's basically the lamp. This is the highest intensity of the lamp. And I press it again for lower intensity and press it again to switch it off. Now for the fan, I click it once. The fan starts working. There. I click it again. The speed has increased. I click it once more. Speed has increased even further, and the 4th time I press it, it switches off. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the LaForte multifunction clamp fan. Thank you for watching.